everybody, it's royalerozesss, and today I am back with a series that I started 5 years ago and never really got to finish, so I kind of thought, well, if we're in the nostalgia part, why not just do it? It's fun. It's basically a Danganronpa series, and I think my most popular one was the one I did with Junko. I think it's had like 4,000 views or something, which is crazy, and the other ones with Saika Maizono and Chihiro Fujisaki also are like one of my most popular videos, and I know that's probably what was around 5 years ago, probably not same like entertaining today. Also, Royale High has had like the biggest follow-up ever, but basically I wanted to give a little tutorial on how to make Mondo Owada in Royale High for any Danganronpa fan or Royale High fan that might need it, even though I don't know how many people still play Royale High. But let's get started with it. So you go to dress up, obviously, and let's start out with the hairstyle. So for the hairstyle, you will have to go to masculine styles and basically scroll down until you find a hairstyle which is called Wanna See Me Comb My Hair Really Fast, and I think it's a reference to Josuke from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure because he has this sort of hairstyle. And a fun fact is that Mondo is also inspired by Josuke and Crazy Diamond. He's basically like because I think that's what his biker gang is actually called in the game, so he's kind of a JoJo reference, which is a little bit funny. Now, if you don't have the colors, I would suggest going for kind of like a ginger or a brown sort of ish type of color, but personally I haven't actually seen what type of color I'm up for. Let's see. No, actually, you don't need Robux for this one. I just went with like I think I went with either the ginger or the brown one, because any of these work. I think I'm gonna stick with the ginger one for now. So you could use one of the paid ones, of course, but that's totally up to you. I don't know which one I would recommend because clearly I've been using the free one, but that works out well. And for the outfit, this outfit is called Black Fur Coat with Jeans and Black Sneakers by Interdol. So I think the easiest thing is to just search Interdol, and basically you would have to go to the male outfits, probably search for pants, but it could be in shirtsuit or like full outfit, and I would search for Interdol, and it's this one, Black Fur Coat with Jeans and Black Sneakers, or this, actually, no, yes, that one has, okay, it's this one with the darker pants. Right. So that is the outfit, and if you don't have anything else, that works because it is like kind of a jacket and the shirt and the pants and so on. And what I really like about this too is that it has the belt kind of, which is in his style. So that is if you're on a very minimal budget with nothing else, right? And it also has like some shoes. So that would be how I would say that you should do it in that way. So here we have also a face. This is gonna be the face that I picked out. He has sort of purple eyes. He's a bit tough, looks a bit angry. So I chose this purple face by like Stitch, but with an X in it, right? But the easiest way for me, at least, was to go to masculine makeup, go to purple eyes, and you can also go to style and pick, let's see if there's angry. Yes, angry. And it should show up. Oh, no, it's not purple eyes. Okay, skip that. Just go to the purple eyes then. Only select that. And if you scroll down enough, you should see it. Otherwise, you can, of course, search for the creator's name. This kind of works too. There are different variations of it, of course. Let's see how long you'd have to scroll to actually find it. Okay, so here is one that works really well too. Oh, it's called Purple Grumpy. So you can search for that. That's easier probably than remembering the name. So Purple Grumpy, type it in the search bar and you can find it. Now for the body, it's a bit weird because I actually wanted to use the superhero body. I think that's what it's called. Yes, because look how muscular it is, right? But See, it glitches every time it does that, and I don't know why. It might be because of the jacket or the corset, but try the superhero one, and if it doesn't work for you, then I guess don't use it, use another one. So instead of that, I just chose the Roblox boy one, but otherwise I think that works well. For the animations, it's the superhero one. Yes, the superhero animation. So the superhero body and the superhero animation work really well because he looks tough, you know, the way he walks, standing like he has like power. Yeah. And let's move on to accessories. I think that's it for the basics. So that is if you're on a very tight budget, that's what you can go for. I see that I've chosen the leprechaun belt as an accessory, but as you can see, it's not really seen, so you don't really need it at all. You can just choose the outfit that I chose and this type of like pixel belt instead. I think it works really well. You can also, for the shoes, you can really choose any shoes. There are probably some better shoes in the shops. If you can find some sneakers or some boots, I think all of them work. Personally, from what I have, I don't have a lot of options because I don't have a ton of shoes. Shoes have gone more expensive lately. I have the Snuggly reindeer slippers, but I removed everything. And this is also perfect because I'm posting this in the Christmas season, so maybe these are on sale. I'm not sure. Maybe, should we check that? Okay, rain. Right, so you actually have 25 days to buy. It's probably less when I've uploaded this, but 16,000, not too bad of a price for these shoes if you want to do the exact copy of what I have. And what I basically did is that I turned off the puffs and fluffs, antlers and eyes and made them very boring, but at least made it so I could just have normal white or gray boots. Now, the most, well not the most, but the like central accessories I would say, well mainly this jacket, right? This is the Gothy Cutie bodice and jacket, and it has a leather jacket and a lot of pins, and it kind of looks a bit like biker gang, sort of tough, and I think it really works with Mondo. For the jacket, gloves, and buttons, it's just black. Chains, spikes, and zippers, you choose this sort of gray. I think I've put in a little lighter gray for the undershirt and jewelry. And the shirt and fishnet, I've put them in white just because I don't really feel like Mondo is the type of guy to have fishnets. I don't think he has that in his outfit, but of course you can have that if you want to. There are obviously different variations of this that you can do, but this is what I think is the best though. The little bit funny thing is that he's supposed to be this very masculine guy, right? And you can see that there's sort of like these nails. I don't know if Mondo would have painted, like it's not super out of character, but you know, with the whole conflict he had with Chihiro, I don't know if he would have painted nails or not, but I think it's a cool detail. I don't know if he would like it, but it definitely works. I don't know if there is a way. Okay, so you can, no, but that's just removing the sleeves, right? Yeah, so there are different variations, but I still think this works the absolute best. And he has a collar, and it's kind of hard to replicate. So the closest thing I could find was this fur collar. Not sure if it's still available because I think it was from a Christmas event, but I basically put it in a sort of grayish to add that collar effect. And this chain you see, which I also think works really well, is also from the Gothy Cutie and bodice jacket. So yeah, but there are like chains and stuff. There are other accessories that you can choose from. But I'm gonna see if they have, what was it called again? So lost. The fur color, yes. Oh, so it's actually not available. Oh, so you'd have to get that from trading, unfortunately. Well, I think it works great even without the collar. So yeah, that was all for the video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe. Next culprit, or no, should I say victim in this series will be, well, let's think about it. Who would that be? It would probably be either Kiyotaka Ishimaru or Hifumi Yamada. So maybe you can comment which one of them you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next video, which will probably not be this series. It'll probably be something else. I'm still figuring out my content, but it can be something. We'll see what it is. Yeah. All right. Stay tuned. Bye.